Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Graphic. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Generative Fill and also Adobe Firefly for free in your Photoshop application. As you can see, I have used Adobe Generative Fill and Adobe Firefly to manipulate this photo. Actually, we are not going to use these features or these AI features in Adobe Photoshop desktop application. We are going to use these features on Adobe Photoshop under web. So please find the comment below this video and copy it and paste on your browser search bar. So now you have to add this Adobe Photoshop Chrome extension to your browser. I will click add to Chrome, add extension, and this feature will give you 12 months of free access to Photoshop features under web. Also you can use Adobe Generative Fill and also Adobe Firefly for free. You have to activate this feature before December 8, 2025. So please be patient. It's going to add this Adobe Photoshop Chrome extension to your Chrome browser. So now I'll pause the video to be downloaded. As you can see, now the downloading is nearly finished. Now Adobe Photoshop under web is open. Now you have to click start free offer. We have to activate these features in our Adobe Photoshop under web. So please click on free offer. Window will pop up and it opens the Adobe Photoshop under web. Now please start now. It says that you get 1 free year access to Adobe Photoshop under web. Now it asks you to register with email address. I'm going to use my email address to activate this feature. Click on Gmail and I'm going to select my official Easy Graphic Gmail. Continue. It may take some time to get activated, so please be patient. And we are going to use Adobe Firefly for free and also Adobe Generative Fill for free with this Adobe Photoshop extension. Okay, it may take some time, please be patient. Of course, now we are good to go. Yes, welcome to Adobe Photoshop on the web. You have access for 12 months. You successfully activated this feature for 12 months free of cost, and you don't have to use your money for buying okay. These features are showing that you have to know about things. Now click on upload. You have to upload some photo. For example, I have this photo here. I'm going to upload this and we are going to work on it. So please be patient. My internet connection is a little bit slow, so here we are. Now please select generative and I'm going to mark her hand and I'm going to write my comment to what to do. Please generate a sunscreen, a sunblock cream on her hand. Yes, now you have to click fill. it will take a couple of seconds. Then it will give you three options. As you can see, we are using Firefly 3. It is this one, and after that we can change it to Firefly beta version, that is the latest version of 2025. Okay, please be patient. Yes, of course, this is sunscreen, and now we can change the variation of the generated option. Yes, we can change the variation. It gives us three options. Okay, and now let me change her cloth to another color. Generate a blue outfit for her. If you can't afford to buy Adobe Creative Cloud, this is the good feature. You have to activate it for your daily work. Please feel free to comment below if you cannot activate this feature on your own browser. Yes, this is it. You can change the variation. Of course, this is very good feature that we have now on Adobe Photoshop Underweb. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching.